Welcome back to the Accessible Art History YouTube channel. This week's video is going to be a bit different than my normal content, but it's also been highly requested. As a passionate art historian, I love to see people start to discover the subject, but it can be scary to know where to start. Thousands of years of human creation can be intimidating, but today I'm sharing my best tips for getting started. So to learn more, keep on watching. Art history is a vast subject, but don't worry, you don't have to learn everything at once. A great way to begin is by understanding the big picture. Familiarize yourself with major art movements like the Renaissance, Baroque, Impressionism, and Modernism. Try creating a simple timeline or flowchart to see how different periods connect. This will give you a framework to build upon as you explore individual artists and artworks. It's also helpful to understand the historical and cultural context in which these movements developed. Knowing what happened in the world at the time can provide valuable insights into the meaning and significance of art. After you've established this, try picking your favorite artist or time period, and then do a deep dive. One of the best skills you can develop is learning how to read art. Pay attention to composition, color, light, and symbolism. Ask yourself, what is the artist trying to communicate to me? How does the artwork make you feel? Start by focusing on formal elements like lines, shapes, texture, and balance. Then look deeper at the subject matter. What stories, myth, or themes does the artwork depict? Many artists use recurring symbols or iconography that can provide hints at the meaning. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns and stylistic traits that define different periods and artists. One of my biggest tips is to use reliable resources. There's a lot of information out there, but not all of it's accurate. I would recommend starting with trusted resources like museum websites, smart history, and even academic textbooks. These sources provide well-researched information that can help you build a solid understanding. If you're looking for books, try reading introductory texts like my personal favorite, Gardner's Art Through the Ages. I found many copies of them at used bookstores, and they're a great place to start. Sometimes you can also access academic journals and museum catalogs to get more in-depth information on artists and movements. I've linked some of my favorites in the description below to help get you started. And there you have it, my 3 top ways to start studying art history. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite artwork or art movement is and what do you want to learn more about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.